So weird blocks.
Underwater city. So, big step Anong crown niya
My brother said, he's gonna kill. Oh no! I have troop. I'm gonna buy a boat. Look, this is super speed. Where is the whirlpool? So where is the Kushidari whirlpool? Where is the whirlpool? Is here?
Paano ako napatay?
Oh. Where is the whirlpool again?
Saan ka na?
Oh, over there.
English pati si Ali. Ano nagsis?
Here, over here. Here, what about?
Tingnan mo mas
So we're now in the whirlpool. Bubadari. Support with okay, it's fine. So let's go now in the whirlpool. Here. Good job is a long jump devil. So I hit it. Whirlpool. And now let's go to black hole. Oh no. Oh no, what is happening? In a whirlpool. Wait. I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna add a friend. I'm gonna add my classmate. Okay, let's go to Blox Fruits again. So, do you know how to draw Illuminati? This one. No. Not. So this is how to draw Illuminati. So triangle and eye and eyebrow. That's it. You want to draw the Illuminati. Now let's go to Blox Fruits. Okay, we are now here in Blox Fruits. Musika babaw. So okay. You invite me. Okay, let's join. Let's join. Singing body do siya papawis. Narinig sa mababa baby. Body ng brain rot. This one now let's Marines. I love Marines because I love color blue. Here in the underwater city. Okay, she's in. Bro, she's speaking Tagalog. Oh, hello. Are you? Bro, it's only one hit. I'm only the Fishman Lords. The Fishman Lords versus me. Oh, one hit. Oh my god. Why? So, para. So, ura. Slip. Oop. Marine slip. Gimme. Dingy. 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 Ding. Ay, uy. Hey. So let's invite my different. This one. Ari. Okay. Wait for part 5.